Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Anita Chopra here, and today we'll be covering the poem Where No Men Are Foreign, which is written by James Kirkup. It is the poem which was written during the time of World War, and it is telling you the feeling of a soldier, and above all that everyone is equal. The country on the other side who is fighting is also a human being, and the another country, they are also human being. Both the human being are fighting together. So beyond, we should moving ahead, we should all think of raising, that is to believe in the universal brotherhoodness. ये point को raise करने के लिए poet ने ये poem को लिखा है. So here the poem goes like that. Remember, no men are strange, no country is foreign. Imagine the world where there is no men are stranger, no one is stranger, and there is no country foreign. Imagine that the world without having any boundaries. The whole world is the same place to live, without boundaries, because everyone in the foreign country, no country is a foreign country, because there also human beings are living, and here also where we stay, here also human beings are living. So what is the different when mother nature has not discriminated on the basis of caste, on the basis of creed, on the basis of color? Yes, even if the mother nature has not discriminated in any of the points, then why human being is discriminating each other? Yes, and fighting for small reasons which should not be there. Yes, now beneath all uniform a single body breathes. Yes, everybody's uniform may be different. Yes, beyond that everybody is a human being, everyone is having a human body. Further, the poet is saying, like us, the land our brothers walk upon is earth like this in which we all shall lie. Like our brothers, we all are same, we all are human being. Everyone is having two eyes, one nose, one mouth, one head, two legs. Right? Then why we are fighting each other, or why we are discriminating on the different basis? Now further, is they too aware of sun and air and water? They are also having, they are also getting the same sunshine, they are also using the same air, they are also breathing in the same air as we do. They are also consuming the water, they are also consuming the same water which we do. So what's the different in that? No difference is there. Then why discrimination is created? Then further, and are fed by peaceful harvest, by war's long winter starved. That means everyone, the poet is imagining that why don't people live together with peace and harmony? Because after the war will not be leaving anything. That means starvation will be there. Starvation means एक भूखमरी जैसे situation होती है जिसे भूखमरी से तड़पना, that is starved. Their hands are ours, and in their lines we read a labor not different from our own. That is, everyone is same. They are also working for their country, we are also working for our country. So both are human being, both are having same two hands, two legs, everyone is having the same body. So there is no kind of differentiation between, because everyone is a human being after all. Then further the poet is saying, remember they have eyes like ours that wake or sleep, and strength that can be born. They are also having two eyes, जो हमारी तरह ही खुलती हैं, हमारी तरह ही बंद होती हैं. So what's the difference? We all are human being. उनसे थोड़ा ऊपर उठकर रेस होकर हमें सोचना चाहिए. Further the poets say, by love in every land is common life that all can recognize and understand. जैसे वो अपनी कंट्री को लव करते हैं, in the same way we also love to our country. The love for the country, love for the land is same on both the sides. Yes, in both the countries they are same. To hate our brothers, it is ourself that we shall dispose, betrayed and condemned. When everyone is equal, everyone is human being, the poet is saying then why they are betraying each other? Why one human being is betraying the other one? Then, remember we who take arms each other, it is the human earth that we defile. We all belong to the mother nature. We all are same in the eyes of mother nature. We all are the children of mother nature. So everyone is equal in her eyes. Why we are discriminating and why we are betraying each other? Then is, our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocents. जो हेल फायर की है, दैट इज इन द वॉर की जो फायर है, दैट विल डिस्ट्रॉय द इनोसेंस ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग, इनोसेंस मासूमियत को वो सब कुछ खत्म कर देता है। ऑफ एयर दैट इज एवरीवेयर आर ओन, ऐसी एयर जो सब जगह सेम है, यहाँ भी वही हवा पानी है और फॉरेन कंट्री दूसरी जगह पे भी वही हवा पानी है, देयर इज नो डिफरेंस। नाउ रिमेंबर नो मैन आर फॉरेन एंड नो कंट्री स्ट्रेंज। लास्ट में पॉइंट ये कहते हैं कि कोई भी कंट्री फॉरेन नहीं है, वहाँ पर भी यही ज़मीन है, यहाँ जैसी ज़मीन यहाँ है वहाँ पर भी वही हवा पानी है जो हम यहाँ पर यूज़ कर रहे हैं। दे आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग द सेम सनशाइन एज वी डू हियर इन दिस, yes, at this place. So this is the poem where the poet is emphasizing to think about, and he is indicating on the universal brotherhoodness, and to raise the point of universal brotherhoodness in this poem by saying that the no man is foreign. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe it. Thank you. See you in my next video.